Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings application. Now I'll show you the here, and after that click here on the home screen and lock screen. You will see here the AOD always on display section. Now just to turn it off you should click here only once on the switcher. Now you can see that all of the options they are blocked. And here, when we'll just lock the device, we can see that the always on display feature is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.